Welcome into this meditation. Go ahead and get comfortable. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels most supportive right now. And if at any point this feels uncomfortable, feel free to keep your eyes open, or shift your posture, or simply listen. You are in control of your body and your attention. Some of you may be here feeling tired, some discouraged, some unsure if real change is possible. There's nothing you need to prove here. So when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Begin by gently tensing your muscles from your toes all the way up to your head. And just hold that tension in your body for a moment. Now slowly release. Let go in your toes, your feet, your ankles. Soften your calves and shins. Release your thighs, hips, and even your glutes. Let go of your abdomen, especially any place that you've been bracing, and straighten your back slightly, and then allow it to rest. Let your shoulders drop, release your arms, unclench your hands, and let your fingers relax. In your face, soften your jaw, soften your cheeks, loosen your neck. Now begin to notice what your body is experiencing and feeling. There's nothing wrong with what you feel. Your body has learned patterns over time, patterns of stress, protection, urgency. How you feel is not your enemy. It's been trying to help you survive. So go back down to your feet and notice, what are you feeling? Notice the ground or the floor beneath you. Notice your breath. No need to change it. Just feel the inhale and the exhale. Bring awareness up to your spine, all the way to the top and across your shoulders, down your arms into your hands. And notice your neck, and your head, and your face. All the sensations you are feeling in your body are telling you you are right here. You're present, and right now, you're safe. As you stay present, remember this: you are not your urges. You are not your past choices. You are not your last slip. You are a person in recovery, which means your body and your mind and your nervous system are learning a new way of being. Your body is not the problem. Your body is part of the healing. And right now, you don't need to fix anything. While your body stays grounded and supported, use your imagination. Picture yourself gently stepping back, able to see your life with more clarity and kindness. And then God comes alongside you. Not disappointed, not impatient, present. God is right here. And together you look back over your story, where you've been, what you've tried, and what you're still learning. Ask quietly within yourself, what does God see when He looks at me right now? What does He say about who I am, even here, even now? If part of that feels hard to believe, just notice that without arguing with it. Now, bring to mind one thing, something small or simple that you can genuinely feel grateful for right now. It might be your breath, it might be the chair you're sitting in, or the fact that you showed up. Maybe it's God's patience with you, but right now, silently say, thank you. And as you look ahead into tonight, into tomorrow, into the next moment of choice, notice what God is emphasizing. Not everything, just the next right thing. Recovery isn't about doing this alone, and it's not about getting it perfect. It's about learning how to receive help. Help from God and help from others. Now begin to bring your attention back to this room. Notice your hands, your feet, and the support beneath you. Turn your palms upward as a posture of receiving rather than striving, and quietly respond to God with gratitude for His presence. You don't have to remember everything in this moment. Whatever matters will stay with you. And now take a slow breath in. And gently release. You are not alone, and you are not behind.